Hey guys, it's Emma here, and today I'm going to be showing you my green, fluffy, ginormous slime. So yeah, let's just get started. I can. Can you open it? Mom, can you open this? Please. It's a mixture of fluffy slime, cloud slime, and butter slime, and regular slime.
Emma, can you go on, please?
Let's be. I'm sorry, this might not be a very long video, but it's at least a video. So yeah, time is it's time for
Stop.
lunch. It's lunchtime because I stayed home today and I look like I'm in my uniform because I am. And I went to school, but my mom picked me up early because I have to go to my new house to see a hot cool guy. And yeah, I hope I see his abs. So yeah, hope he has his shirt off.
What are you reading?
I don't know, it's just a random book that's called Jokes.
Called what?
Jokes.
Jokes.
Yeah.
I don't see no book.
I don't see your attitude.
What?
Gotta go. What is that? What is that? Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's not so long, but I'm saying next time. Bye.